Hello everyone. Let's talk about boosting your system's performance with the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR4 SODIMM. This memory module is designed as a simple, cost-effective upgrade for laptops, small form factor PCs, and even NAS devices like the ASUS Asusterlocker Store. NEMIX RAM focuses on computer memory and storage upgrades, particularly for enterprise storage in servers and workstations. They also cater to standard and specialty ECC memory needs for NAS devices, PCs, Macs, and laptops. This 32GB module operates at 2666 MHz, is PC4-21300 rated, and runs at a standard 1.2V. It features a CL19 latency and a 260-pin SODIMM form factor, making it compatible with a wide range of systems. The most significant advantage of upgrading your memory is the immediate performance boost. More RAM allows your system to handle more tasks simultaneously, reducing lag and improving overall responsiveness. Whether you're running multiple applications, editing large files, or virtualizing operating systems, a RAM upgrade can make a noticeable difference. Installation is generally straightforward. NEMIX RAM emphasizes the ease of upgrading memory, suggesting that most users can complete the process in just a few minutes. However, it's always recommended to consult your device's owner's manual for specific instructions to avoid any issues. NEMIX RAM stands behind its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality and durability of their memory modules. They also offer IT support, ensuring users have access to assistance if needed. For those looking to enhance the performance of their laptops, SFF PCs, or NAS devices, the NEMIX RAM 32GB DDR4 SODIMM presents a compelling option. It's a high-quality, reliable memory module backed by a lifetime warranty and expert support. If you're ready to experience smoother multitasking and faster performance, this could be the upgrade you've been waiting for.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.